If you want to install iOS theme on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case you can just simply go to the Play Store. Then over here we're gonna use the search option at the bottom of the screen, and you can use the search field at the top. In here we should be able to just search for iOS launcher, iOS theme, iPhone launcher, or something like that. Now in here we can find many different launchers, and of course you can try any of them, whichever you would like to try, to find out which one you like the most. Now in my case I'm gonna use this one over here. I'm gonna install this launcher in here, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like and how to set it up. But like I said, feel free to try anything else from this list. So let's open it. We might see some ads in the meantime, but in this case this launcher is actually free. We don't have to allow the access to location, but I'm gonna allow the access to contacts and photos and videos. Now in here we're gonna tap on make default launcher. Of course we have an ad, so let's wait for that. And then we're gonna press OK. We will be redirected to the selection of launchers. So you want to choose the iOS launcher so that whenever you go to the home screen, this iOS launcher is going to show up instead of the standard one. Now over here we're gonna tap on got it, and there we go. The iOS is pretty much ready. You might see, for example, certain permissions that need to be granted in order to have some of the features available. But generally speaking, you should be able to find the app library and the iOS style of the home screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.